on, just a little more. You're not giving up on me now. That's it, keep pulling. Easy, easy. We're getting somewhere, I think.
The muddy trails held a secret today. Élise Moreau here. I just stumbled across this classic, black 1990 motorcycle. It looks like a vintage Japanese 80cc two-stroke, completely abandoned. I have no idea whose it is, but strangely enough, the keys are still in the ignition.
Wow, whose bike is this? Did somebody seriously leave this here? Not bad at all. Well, I think I'm gonna take it for a ride. Come on, little bike. Let's get out of this mud. Once we're free, I'll bring you back to life. Come on, wake up for me. That's it. Come on, old girl. You still sound strong. Hey, don't do that. Stay with me. Oh, come on, not now. Almost, come on. Come on, rev it up. Yeah, that's it. Let's go. Come on, wake up, little bike. Come on, baby, give me something. There you are. You're still alive. Just take it easy. We'll get out of here together. Come on, just a little more. You're not giving up on me now. That's it, keep pulling. Easy, easy. We're getting somewhere, I think. Come on. You got us out of that mess. I know you're tired. Let's try one more time. Don't make me push you. All right, let's try that again. You almost had it. Come on, old girl. One good start. You're making me work for it today. All right, you win this round. I knew you still had it. Oh, now you want to run? To end times? Don't even think about stalling again. Behave yourself. Good. Now let's get moving before you change your mind. Well, we made it this far. Not bad for an old machine. This seat is quite comfortable, but I think I'll replace it with something even softer. That would make these rides even more enjoyable.
And once the seat was swapped out for a plush, smooth one.
Hey! What's happening? Oh no, not again. We were doing so well. Wow, this is so much softer. Come on, little motorbike, wake up. Wow, this is so much softer. Come on, little bike, breathe, don't die again. This seat feels so soft. That's really comfortable. Let me give it a little more throttle. That's nice. Come on. Feel this. That's it. That's the sound I wanted. Much better. Don't you dare stop now. Perfect. That's it, much better. What a lovely sound. Good girl. Keep breathing, that's much better. Look, after everything we went through today, this new saddle might be my favorite part. It's surprisingly comfortable, a lot more than I expected from a little old moped. And honestly, you'd be just fine. Yeah, you're okay.
We're so sorry for any little mistakes. We were extra careful with the editing, leaving just a few tiny flaws that won't distract from the scenes. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in our next video.